friends, this is Sangram and welcome to School Tech. Today we are going to unbox our brand new tripod. I have bought this tripod from Manish Market, PST. I got this tripod at the range of rupees 250 only. Online it's 300 and 350 and delivery charges are separate. But I got this for 250 rupees only. So let's unbox it. So this is our packaging inside the box. We'll open this and got this tripod here, and this is mobile connector which is used to mount our mobile phone onto this tripod. So like other tripods, it also provides us these features. These are all ranges given here, and these are some features which every tripod have nowadays. So I got this for 250 rupees only. It is made up of aluminium, as you can see. So this is water level, so we can detect the surface level using this water level, and we can mount our mobile phone perfectly at the level which we want to shoot. So let us see how it extends. These are the clips to extend the tripod, as usual like another tripods. So let me do this fast. So let us make it stand. So now we have opened our tripod. So this is the maximum height of our tripod, and this is the connector which can be used to mount our camera or mobile phone with this connector. So this is used to change the angles and all. So we can extend our mounting by extending this. So now we can lock using this knob, and this is our tripod standing. So we can see it is very lightweight. We can rotate and adjust this. This is used to adjust other angle, and according to this level we can adjust our mobile phone which is attached, or camera which is attached on this mount. So we can see it's quite beautiful, and we can also change the angle of our camera by simply loosening up this knob, and then we can adjust this angle of camera. So we will mount this on we will rotate this knob over here. So I'll be back. So now we are ready with our mount. It is mounted on this tripod stand. It's quite cool. I have bought this for my next tutorials, which I'll be going to teach different things about engineering and basic things of engineering as well. So we can mount our phone. I'll show you. I have mounted my phone which I am shooting with. So it's cool. So do like, share and subscribe my channel School Tech. Thank you so much guys.